Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain chapter number 38, picture composition. This is the last chapter of English grammar. Dear student, it is very easy to write picture composition. As you can see this picture, it is given the building of a school and some students are coming and they are coming to school, they are enjoying with study. So you have to see the picture and you have to write as 8 to 10 sentences, 8 to 10 sentences on that I love school. So how can you see? You can understand means why you love school. So I love school, it is the title, I love school. So you can write 8 lines to 10 lines or 8 sentences to 10 sentences. You can see here, you can write as to watch carefully the picture like that. My school's name is Little Flower School. My school is a very beautiful place. Third sentence you can write, I go to school, I go to my school every day. Fourth sentence you can write, I go to school to study, read and play. My teachers teach me well and are very friendly. So you can also write sixth sentence, I love my school very much. Seventh, it is a place where I learn to grow. Sentence number 8, my school teaches me discipline and respect. Sentence number 9, we are taught to show respect to our teachers and elders. Last sentence 10, my school is very clean and hygiene place. My school is very clean and hygiene place. So in this way you can write 10 sentences on school that will show that I love my school. So in this way you can see the picture and you can write 8 to 10 sentences on I love my school. So here title is I love my school. So you can write 8 to 10 sentences and you can change the sentences. What I am telling, you can change the sentences. What you understand, you can write in your own language, own words. So in your book, you can copy these lines and after that you can change yourself what do you want to write. And it is only one type of the suggestion or one type of the guideline as how you will write picture composition. So you watch carefully the picture and you create in your mind that which sentences, which type of ideas you can write in 1 to 8 sentences or 1 to 10 sentences. So dear student, ideas may be different but sentences should be very good. So approximate 8 to 10 lines you can write and you can see the answer like that and you can copy this in your notebooks. And this is only first composition, means picture composition. So you can write in your copy. So you can see, you can write in your copy. Next you can see what it is given. Second, write 8 to 10 sentences about this lovable character. You can see this lovable character, Chhota Bheem. So you know already Chhota Bheem. You watch also Chhota Bheem as a cartoon serial. So it is very easy to write about on Chhota Bheem. So on Chhota Bheem you can create your own words, own language to write. So dear student, you can write Chhota Bheem 8 to 10 sentences that you can write Chota Bheem is a very lovely character, very good character, and by this character we can learn many things. So like that you can create in your mind, and you can do this question number 2 at your home, and it is very easy. After that, question number 3, you see, look at the picture given below and then write a story based on it. So you can see this picture and you can write a story. So you can watch this, that some children are there as crossing the road, and what happens there, one traffic police is there, and traffic police he ordered to stop the vehicle. The vehicles are coming, and some students are trying to understand the rules of the road and traffic rules. So signals are also there, green signal, yellow signal, red signal. So here you can create the story like that. This is the place where the vehicles crosses, and second sentence, one traffic police is controlling the traffic as stopping the vehicles and allowed to go the vehicles as side by side on the crossing road, and some children are going to school, they are crossing the road as they are following the rules of the road, means traffic rules carefully, as what the traffic police is saying, what he is saying and showing. So that ideas some children are taking, and they are following the traffic rules. So here you can see the one parents are also crossing this road and taking his child as to other side of the road. So you can create in your own sentences what is there in the picture, and you can write as 8 to 10 sentences. Next, it is given as question number 4. Last it is given, very good. You see a set of pictures given below. These pictures are numbered. Compose a story based on this picture. So in this picture you can see that one bird is there, and in first picture you can watch that one ant is sitting on the leaf, and that leaf is floating in the river. So you can see that there is a river. Second sentence you can write, one ant is floating on the river as on a leaf. And in second picture, one bird comes and it picks the leaf with ants. After that, in third picture, the bird is saying something to ant. In third picture, in fourth picture, one hunter is coming and he is aiming to the bird. And next time, in the last picture, you can see ants. One ant is there. Ant falls down and she bites in the hand of the hunter. In this way, his gun falls down and the birds, you can say the bird is saved. So in this way, this picture composes many ideas. So you can take in your word, in your mind, and what I told, you follow this, and you can write what I told, or you can create on yourself what you are watching in the picture, and you can write the notes in the notebook. Here the places are given, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, what is there, you can write yourself, you can try yourself. So this is the last chapter, So today it has been completed. So if you feel any problem as to compose the picture, write about the picture, you can contact me today itself till evening. Okay, thank you.